Welcome back to Mind Blitz. Let's see how lucky you are today. You have to choose any one door. Are you ready? Let's see. Do subscribe for more such fun videos. Pick one. Chocolate, nice. Choose fast. Ice cream, yum. Your choice? Teddy, cute. Don't think. Cake, tasty. Quick pick. Burger, yummy. Go now. Donut, sweet. Pick fast. Sandwich, good. Choose fast. Shake, cool. Hurry up. Hot dog, tasty. Last one. Candy box, sweet. Round 2, surprise. Pick now. iPhone, crazy. Choose quick. Paper, seriously? Don't think. Old TV, nah. Fast pick. Drone, amazing. Your pick. Tablet, good. Pick fast. Mouse, okay. Choose now. Smartwatch, cool. Quick choose. Keyboard, good. Hurry. iPad, nice. Last pick. Lens, good. Round 3, funny. Pick one. Money, rich. Choose fast. Chocolate, sweet. Your pick. Car, wow. Quick. Fries crunchy. Pick now. Gift. Nice. Don't think. Ice cream. Cool. Choose. Spilled drink. Oops. Fast pick. Toy. Fun. Hurry. Phone. Nice. Last. Gift. Wow!